right, today we're gonna bring a light fixture, and this one's kind of like a wooden color here, and the bottom of it, the base, is gold, the top is black. So we're gonna put this together. Everything's included, including the backing too. 3 cables that you have to worry about: ground, neutral, and hot. That's pretty much, and live, which is live, right? So we're gonna go ahead and set this up today. Regular light bulb, up to 60 watts. That's pretty much what you got to set up. It tells you instructions in here on the side of it too, maximum. So we're gonna set this up, see how beautiful illuminates this area. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. Very important, if you want to lessen the cable, you see this little thing here, a flathead right here. You're going to require a flathead to actually extract some, retract the actual cable. All right, here we go. Here's the light, guys. So the light itself, I like the aluminum. I actually, like I said, I didn't want it to go too high, so I had to tie it up on the top, unscrew the little screw. Oh, the gold. Beautiful atmosphere light. I like the ambience on this light. Makes the room look a lot better, brighter. Gold on the bottom.